thought I'd do a video on the Mars standard installation vehicle. We've got one right here, and another one right there, and I'll show you what these look like inside. And these all started with a CAD drawing, which I will show you now. Okay, so as you can see from that CAD drawing, there's a lot of thought put into this truck before we even bought these trucks or started the assembly. And we've actually got another one right now being built. But this is a 12-foot box. And basically, I'll start here at the front. We've got a rollout cart. All of these bins full of tools and supplies, and those ones back there can all fit on top of this cart, which is full of our big, bulky power tools. And we can roll all of our tools out to the job all at once, which is a huge time saver. Right here, fits kind of in there perfectly, is our hand truck. You'll notice everything fits between these shelves. It was designed to do that. We've got our little step ladder, extension cords, garbage bucket in a place where we can reach it really easily, so we're putting our garbage away. Ever important fire extinguisher. We've got drill and hammer holders there. We've got our guys' individual tool bags up there. Each guy gets his own individual tool bag. And then if you look over here, we've got our duct cleats and our spotter bits. All of our gases stocked right there. Our vacuum pumps and recovery machines, boot covers, gloves, paper towels, all those things right at the front. Gauges. Again, all these things are materials. So this is our PVC bin, our copper bin. All of those are material bins. Got our ladders, our shovels and brooms all right there. Here's our drop cloths for our customers' floors and our coveralls. Here's all the materials that we're going to use on a daily basis. Those come highly stocked, and down there we've got tool belts and rain gear and all that good stuff. Color coordinated microwave that was a total mistake, but turned out pretty cool, so that worked out. We have got our caulking tubes and leak detectors and fast wax and all sorts of stuff up there. And then these are tool kits. So each guy has his own ductless kit for flaring in ductless mini splits. And we've got bending and brazing and plumbing. And we have got evacuation and pressure testing kit down there. And then we've also got our vacuum. That's shop vac for bigger stuff. We've got a battery powered vacuum in that main pack out rollout bin. And yeah, everything in its place. And that's the beauty of this, is that we can walk onto this truck and it's basically a mobile warehouse. And if I didn't point it out before, I'll point it out again. We've got LED rope lights going around the entire perimeter of the truck so that we can really light this thing up when it's dark outside. So whether it's early morning or they're working late, we're safe in here because we have a lot of light. We can see where we're walking. We can put our things away. And this is what we deem the ultimate installation vehicle.